Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a Google Calendar in Weebly. So I've already called up a Google Calendar and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add another calendar. I'm going to create a new calendar and I'm going to call this Demo. And I'll say Create Calendar. So once I've done that, I can come back here and I can see that it's in my list of all these different calendars. And many of you probably already know that I can show multiple calendars at a time, or I can only show one at a time if I want. So what I'd like to do here is I'm going to go to these vertical dots and I'm going to come here and I'm going to say Settings and Sharing. So what I'm looking for here is Integrate Calendar. I do want to mention before I get off of this page is that in order for my calendar to be visible in Weebly, I do need to make it available to the public right here. So I'm going to go ahead and check that off and I'll click OK. Then I'm going to come over here to Integrate Calendar. And this is where I am going to find my embed code. So I could just copy and paste this, but what I want to do is go to Customize because I want to show you what you can do in here. So I don't really want to show the time zone. I don't think I really need that in my calendar. So I'm going to uncheck that. I can leave the rest of these things here. I can come up here and call this my school. And I can change background color. It doesn't change the background color of this, but if I were to go like this, it'll give me a background color here, like so. I could have a border or not. And then right here is the width and height that the calendar will appear on my Weebly page. So if I want the calendar to take up the main part of the page and I don't really want to have a whole lot else on that page, I can pretty much just leave that like that. So once I have done that, I don't really need to make any other changes here. And I can come up here and copy. Click here, that will copy it for me. And then I can come over here to Weebly and I'm going to go to Build and grab my embed code. And I'm going to edit and paste. I'll click on the side and there's my calendar. And it's actually well, I can't see it until I publish it, but if I quickly publish, you'll see that my calendar actually is live. And as I would add events to the calendar in Google Calendar, they will stream it live to your Weebly site. So that's how you add a Google Calendar.